The front face of the 4th generation Haval H6 has been replaced with a larger air intake grille, and the interior is supplemented with scattered, scale, chrome decoration, which gives a sense of armor and has a visual effect. And there is no lack of muscle power. Taking into account both the sense of technology and the sense of sophistication, a teardrop, like light strip, has also been added under the matrix headlights on both sides, officially called Galaxy Falls daytime running lights. In addition, the full and long front of the car, combined with the raised ribs on the hood and the large-sized lower grille at the bottom, looks quite authoritative. The side of the body continues the full and rigid lines of the 3rd generation model. However, the 4th generation Haval H6 will offer a blacked-out kit, including a roof rack, window trims, side skirt trims, etc. Combined with the new blacked-out large-sized wheels, it further strengthens the sporty character. In terms of body size, the length, width and height of the 4th generation Haval H6 are 4703/1886/1730 mm, and the wheelbase is 2738 mm, respectively, 50 mm longer than the 3rd generation model, 4653/1886/1730 mm. The wheelbase remains unchanged. The biggest highlight at the rear is undoubtedly the replacement of the new style split taillights, along with the Haval English logo added in the middle in line with the new style. Haval Xiaolong MAX. The design style is quite similar. The shape of the lower part of the rear of the car is more concise, with a large darkened lower area and a wide rear wing that continues to emphasize the sense of sportiness. It is also not difficult to find that the new car uses gold paint. It is understood that the new Haval H6 will be available in 2 metallic paints, Star Gold and Interstellar Grey, as well as 2 pearlescent paints, Shinglong White and Star. Although the new Haval H6 is still a fuel-powered vehicle, its interior tends to be more new energy-based. There are no visible physical buttons on the simple center console, which is completely integrated with the 14.6-inch floating central control screen. With a 10.25-inch full LCD instrument panel and a 9-inch HUD head-up display, full technological atmosphere. The 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel is also the same model as the Haval Xiaolong Max, and also uses electronic gear shifting. In addition, the black and white color scheme is more luxurious and high-end, and is equipped with 50W wireless mobile phone charging, Qualcomm 8155 chip-powered Coffee Smart Cockpit System, Coffee OS 2.0 and L2 level Coffee Smart Driving System. In terms of power, it offers 1.5T and 2.0T engines. Among them, the 1.5T engine has a maximum power of 135 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 275 Nm. The transmission system is matched with a 7-DCT transmission, consistent with the 3rd generation model, but the 2.0T engine has a maximum power of 175 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 385 Nm. It has been upgraded compared to the 3rd generation model, and the transmission system has also been changed. With 9-DCT transmission, it is not difficult to find that these 2 power systems are the same as the 2nd generation Haval Big Dog. There is also a 4-wheel drive system.